You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to lock and hide your private photos in the Samsung Gallery app. Open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. Find and select the photo or video you want to lock by tapping and holding it. You can select multiple items. Once selected, tap the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner to open the menu. From this menu, select Move to Secure Folder. If you have not set up Secure Folder yet, your phone will now guide you through the setup process, which involves locking it with a PIN, pattern, password, or biometrics like your fingerprint. After setup, the selected items will be moved to view your locked photos later. You must open the Secure Folder app from your app drawer or home screen. Enter your lock method to access it. Inside Secure Folder, open the Gallery app that is contained within it. Your private photos and videos will be there, completely separate from your main gallery and invisible without the correct lock. To remove them from Secure Folder, open it, select the items inside, and choose Move out of Secure Folder. For more simple privacy and security tutorials, subscribe to the channel.